To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen to automatically adapt to ambient light condition, you have to enable the adaptive color tone feature. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on offset next to adaptive color tone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. A pop-up appears to inform you that this feature uses your camera as a sensor to detect the current lighting condition. Tap OK button to continue. By enabling adaptive color tone feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, your screen will automatically adjust colors and white balance to match ambient lighting condition, making colors look more natural in any environment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.